Hi, I'm Paul McKeon. I founded B2W Software in 1993 with a vision for how technology could help companies like yours win more bids and manage operations with greater efficiency to maximize profitability. Today, hundreds of thousands of users at thousands of companies rely on B2W estimating and operations solutions that are powerful, easy to use, and unified. So teams in the office, the field, and the shop can work together at peak efficiency. And we're a company you'll love working with because we're passionate about helping you succeed with technology. And we have the experts in place to make it happen. I encourage you to take some time to explore how our solutions and our team can help you win more bids and operate more profitably.